Hi, thanks for being in a new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Infinix Hot 40 Pro after I tested it in case you want to buy it. So as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Infinix Hot 40 Pro without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which has been 1,499 pesos. Although then you realize that it costs 3,290 pesos in the free market, and obviously it is more convenient to buy it there. In fact, possibly if you find it at this price, I could forgive it several of the bad points. Let's start with what I like the most. This device integrates a 5-band equalizer even if you don't have headphones connected. This is something to note because many devices in this price range don't give you any equalizer even when headphones are connected, so it has good audio options. In fact, it also has support for the LHDC and LDAC codec, so if you have high-end headphones that support these kinds of advanced codecs, you could enjoy good resolution audio. So it is also going to give us good quality selfies with good level of detail. In this price range, it is not so common for the front camera to perform this well, so I like to highlight it. It also takes advantage of the 108 megapixel mode with good detail. Again, it's one of those aspects where other devices, despite integrating high-resolution sensors, sometimes don't take full advantage of it. It also allows you to record video in 2K, both with the main camera and the front camera. It's a step up from Full HD, but believe me, it's noticeable, and most devices at this price point are only going to let you shoot Full HD video. Also, the fast camera mode can be in 2K up to 5400x. These capabilities I haven't seen on other devices, so you can record the growth of a plant with ease. It's not a common thing, but it's a feature that very few smartphones are going to give you. It also gives you dual recording mode, which in this price range, again, is not something very common. We usually find it on slightly more expensive devices to show the front camera and the rear camera at the same time. It also allows you to use floating windows even with YouTube and Instagram, so the level of multitasking it achieves is also very good. It also includes NFC for mobile payments and even has FM radio. It is worth noting the addition of the radio because usually in devices of this price, this feature is no longer included. Usually FM radio is present only in cheaper devices, but it is a good thing to find it here. It also offers 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So you have plenty of space to store all the files you want, and the RAM means that applications are not constantly restarting. Plus, it allows you to use the volume buttons as triggers when playing games, so you can map the virtual button you want to enable to each of the volume buttons. It's not that convenient, but it's an important feature that other manufacturers don't offer you. And in fact, for gaming, the processor performs quite well. I wouldn't say it's a 100% gaming-focused device, but the fact that it gives you these triggers on the volume buttons and this good performance make us consider it as a good choice. But now let me tell you what I didn't like. It doesn't have Gorilla Glass. Possibly the glass has some level of resistance, but the manufacturer does not communicate it, nor is there any information about it. So we are a little suspicious about the level of resistance it may have in case of a fall. It only has one microphone and also records very ugly. So if you wanted to record videos taking advantage of the microphones of this device, the bad news is that it only has one, so the sound is mono and the quality is really very low. This is one of its weakest points. In addition, it does not offer us the gesture with the palm to take selfies easily. It is a small detail, but since it is a device that takes good selfie pictures, this gesture is missed. It includes an AI camera, which means absolutely useless. It serves no purpose, it's just for decoration, so you can say my phone has 3 cameras, because yes, it also has a macro camera that is there for decoration, totally useless. Video recording can be a bit unstable white balance at times, so I don't consider it to be a video specialist, although this is a slightly less serious point compared to the points I mentioned to you above. It comes with Android 13, so it is outdated out of the box and will probably never be updated. And finally, it offers us practically nothing in terms of ecosystem. This at least in Mexico, because probably in other countries you will find more Infinix accessories, but in Mexico there is nothing with which you can complement your purchase. It all depends on Google. If you already bought it, let me know how much it cost you. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let me know. And we'll see you next time.